Master Kane.
Who's that?
That's Big Daddy Kane.
Huh.
I'll show it to you. Watch my Fanny's coming through. Watch it. Make room for Fanny.
In Georgia, who is alleged that the DA, Fani Willis, has been having a clandestine personal relationship with a special prosecutor in the case, and in turn, they say, profiting significantly from this prosecution. My question is, how big a deal is this, even if it's true?
Fantano.
No, wait, let me say something. Let me say something.
You had one job. Good day, good people. It's your mail carrier, QT Dub, with another edition of
The Independent Mail.
Yo.
Subscribe.
And please, hit that like and share button. I'm still a small channel and it really helps. Besides, I like it.
I like it a lot.
Typically when I see stories regarding boss bays and high profile positions f***ing up, I leave them alone, largely due to the fact that I'm not an RP or a man channel. Unless their stories have a hard political or social connection, I leave them to O'Shea or Pink Book Lessons to cover, cause frankly they do a better job. Shouts out to Uncle Dupe and PBL. So, just in case you're not familiar with this particular story, here's a little bit more background.
We're learning more about this, a bombshell allegation from one of the co-defendants in that case in Fulton County by the name of Michael Roman.
According to court documents, in Roman's defense, he alleges the special prosecutor in this case is accused of having an affair with the district attorney, Fani Willis. That report also saying that there were billing invoices from the Fulton County DA's office, $4,000 for meetings with White House officials.
The facts as we know them, John.
Yeah, exactly. And these meetings happened before Trump was indicted on these charges, and we don't know the context of those meetings either.
So you mean to tell me that this district attorney didn't know that hiring her married boo to this high profile case wasn't a good idea? Yeah, I said married. Opinions are split on whether this will have an impact on Trump's election interference case, but why put it at risk? This is what Ms. Willis's colleagues and as well as some of her opponents are saying. Former DeKalb County District Attorney Bob Wilson declined to comment on the allegations, but said DAs, particularly those pursuing high-profile cases like the Trump prosecution, have to be exceedingly careful. Everything you do must be done according to the law, said Wilson, now a private attorney. Everyone who works on the case like this must conduct themselves at the highest professional level. Otherwise, you can become an issue, and that can derail your case. Andrew Fleischman, a criminal defense attorney in Atlanta, said if the allegations are true, the arrangements would be a clear violation of the State Bar of Georgia's Code of Ethics for Lawyers. If you are giving money to someone who appears to be unqualified and they are giving you some of that money back in the form of summer vacations, then you're financially benefiting from your prosecution, he said. That's a conflict of interest.
Nathan Wade, this is the Atlanta-based private practice lawyer. He's never prosecuted a felony case in his career. He was hired to be the special counsel out of nowhere by District Attorney Fani Willis to prosecute former president in this racketeering case in Fulton County. So the DA's office paid more than $650,000 in legal fees to, this was approved here by Fani Willis, the DA's office, and that went to Wade. He allegedly had a romantic relationship with Willis where he took her on these lavish vacations to Napa Valley as well as the Caribbean. We're now learning that Wade was also in contact with the White House prior to that grand jury indictment of Trump and multiple co-defendants in the case. And that's according to these invoices that were filed as part of Michael Roman's allegation. Wade billed the Fulton County DA's office for $4,000. That was for 2 8-hour meetings with White House officials. The meetings took place in 2022 after Willis appointed him to the role. One happened in Georgia, the other at the White House. Now, both meetings took place well before Trump's Georgia indictment last August. It's unclear what was discussed, as I mentioned, during those two apparent meetings.
This might have been excusable if Nathan was the best at what he does, but according to the articles and reports, he's barely prosecuted misdemeanors up in Cobb County. He must be good at putting charges on that ass. All over the country, we have these boss babes with high-profile positions f***ing up. Everything from being passed out drunk in the streets, to scamming, to all out being inappropriate. What good is it to be the most degreed up if you're going to end up buying married anyway? I'm disgusted. Till next time, peace and stay informed.